What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable auto translate in Google Chrome. So firstly you want to open Google Chrome, then you're going to go to top right corner and you're going to click on these three dots. Here you're going to scroll down till you see the settings option and you're going to open them. Here in settings what you want to do is to go to language tab and you're going to scroll down till you see use Google Translate. Here you're going to click on it to enable it. Now what you want to do is to add a language that you want to translate, and to do that all you have to do is to click on this add language button. So let's choose English for this tutorial and they are going to be translated into Romanian. Also you can change this by clicking on it and change the desired language that you want to use. So now if we go into an English website, as you can see if we reload, it's going to translate into Romanian language. So as simple as this, you enable auto translate in Google Chrome. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.